We all call it home, but you can call it Tennessee. Rolling on them back roads, slow and pine. Sipping on that moonshine all the time. Party in the backyard, yours or mine. Either way, we just kicking it in Tennessee. Rolling on them back roads, slow and pine. Sipping on that moonshine all the time. Party in the backyard.
Get it, Mark. Fastest walk I ever seen.
Look at his legs. The freaking door. Oh, shit, I found it.
What'd you do to your leg?
Your legs. Good gracious, your legs.
Hey, you better get your chair.
Yeah.
I can go back inside.
Well, yeah.
Huh?
Go get one.
I'm gonna go back inside and get it.
I know.
Did you lock the door already?
Yeah.
What a dumbass.
Hey, plug this up for me.
Plug it up.
Charger.
Does it look like I got a damn plug in? He's moving in.
I said on that son of a bitch. It'll be hard.
No one can resist the bandana.
No, I can't.
It's locked.
Huh?
I gotta get the license out of here.
Yeah. Boy, that's nice.
See how big it is, Mark? Remember how big it is all the way?
I don't know if I can my pole get away on the bottom like that.
Because we rent an elephant.
Oh, here.
We do.
All right, Mark, you gotta pay. You gotta
Hey,
pay for
just
it.
be,
I gotta get my shit out.
just be.
Well, no, we gotta want to drive. You gonna get?
What
that
are you
right
doing,
here?
Mark?
I gotta drive.
We're gonna go to the other end of the lake.
He's
first.
so excited, he just can't wait.
Oh, I know. I'm
We're
ready
gonna
to
go to the
go.
other end first, Mark.
Huh?
We're gonna go to the other end first.
Oh, okay. I gotta get a picture of this shit. Just wait, man.
It is hot today.
It is
Say where
hot.
We're going first. This.
Who
Who do I look like to you, Marcus?
Last one they got. Give me nothing.
I won't let you get one, Mark.
I have no idea. I didn't do it.
What the only reason you can do is that you can't get
I mean, I got a license. I had a fishing license before, but that was years ago. But
So? I hadn't had a fishing license in years, 2 or 3 years.
I don't know why mine's.
It's been a few years for me. Well, Mark, which chair are you going to sit in for the rest of the day?
My recording chair, man.
He ain't even going in.
You know, worst on worst, I'll just watch you guys fish. I guess.
That's a crankbait, Mark.
I know. I got my torpedo. I got my favorite one. I got the last one they had too.
All right, Mark. Go much over.
Go, get over and get your stuff. Hurry up.
They're trying to hook me up. I don't see.
Here's a photo album. My dad was in here. That's what I want to catch today.
So pretty. I'm going to get it.
White crappie.
What do you have to call?
What's a black crappie? Yeah, it's a freaking awesome.
What's TWR?
Tennessee Wildlife Resource Agency. Mark.
Hard to get a hold of.
What's a bluegill there? There he is, dude. A big old
He keep, man. We better get something.
Look at that. I'm pretty sure this is the lake. When they first
Before
started
they,
building it.
oh golly, that is awesome.
Look at that. Just that creek going. See, look, right there it is.
That's it.
That's the creek going through there. Oh my God, look what they turned it into. Good goodness. A lot of bass, holy crap.
That's awesome.
This is the spot where you always fish. Where you going, Timmy?
Yeah, I always start here if there ain't nobody there.
Get it, Marcus.
Chair.
Ooh, bad.
Bass fish right here.
Right over there.
You can go on Mark. Go on this other side over here. Mark. See this other side? Walk around there. There's a good spot on that other side.
Well, I'll bring back an 8-pounder here in about 2 minutes.
So.
I'm fixing to throw me in a dip. Get me a bottle of water and
This thing set up first.
yeah.
Like I told you.
I know what. No, but look at that torpedo. Look. No, but look at how bad they ate my torpedo. Dude.
Pretty rough, Mark. Pretty rough. Look here, Timmy.
Hey, brother. Alright, I got that mess untangled. Boy, get the hell
Yeah, he's hissing at you.
There's no food in there, buddy.
Timmy's like, I ain't playing. I ain't playing.
The other side and back.
Mark, I would love that.
I would there let me, but they won't let me.
Oh. Hit Mark, call him in.
Mark, there's a catfish call. What's the catfish call, Mark?
Could you show us the watermelon crawl?
I don't know how to do it.
That went out.
Ooh, man, I see something perfect. A dead shad right there. Seriously, right there in the water. I can put that on my damn hook.
I don't know, it's probably dead.
It don't matter. Catfish.
Yeah, they're just nibbling it.
Yeah, they just nibbling on it.
Go ahead and reel that bobber in, though.
All right.
Oh, look at Mark got there.
Uh-oh.
So, it's something.
Look what I just found.
Good, throw it out there.
Yeah, get out there, bring him in. Throw it out there, don't let that thing get it.
I'm going to use it.
I know, but he would have got it.
You better keep an eye on it. This guy right here ain't playing.
Something's hit. It didn't act like a catfish. Because it was just hit.
Two of them. Timmy done got him one.
That's what I was trying to do.
No one can send it to you. You need to catch a fish.
Damn,
He hit it.
is that a blue cat?
That's a blue. Yeah, he hit it. I reeled it back in, threw it right back in the same spot.
Same one that was the same one.
That is
bro.
awesome, dude.
Even if we got
Hell,
one.
pick it up, man. I'll get a picture of you.
Oh, he took it. He took that shit. This pole about went in the water.
Well, where's my hook at? I'm gonna have to cut this hook to hold this.
No,
hook
you can
for
get him. I'll get your pliers. Get your pliers, Timmy. You get that hook out.
I got some needle nose.
Yeah, I need.
I can get it. What's that other one too? You got some pliers, Noble?
I do. I got some needle nose.
About time, man.
Yeah, watch that other for me too, Marcus.
That's the one that I missed.
Yeah.
There ain't no doubt in my mind, country must be
Well, there she is.
country wide.
All hot and
It
bothered.
ain't where, it's how you live. We weren't raised to take, but we were raised to give. The shirt off our backs to anyone in